Hey guys, in here. Yesterday we modeled this shell shape meshing. Today we're going to add make it more create some panels and some structures to it. Okay, so first tab select this face and divide surface. So select the surface, and then we can change the maybe maximum spacing, and let's try maybe 1.5 meter by 1.5 meter. Okay, so yeah, that's actually quite a lot of surface. Maybe I'll just make it bigger, so I don't need to wait too long. Okay, so yep, so that's the pattern. So now we need to create a new family. So it's curtain panel, pattern base, and okay. So with this one we have 4 points. So we just need I'm going to just create a panel, but I'm going to leave some space for the framing. Okay, so point, draw on face. I'll place 1 point here, and 1 point here. So and then select these 2 points, or actually select 1 point. So and you will see one is beginning and the other one is end, or both beginning. No, it's okay. So yeah, both beginning, but one is start from 0 and the other one start from 1. Yeah, so select this one and change this to end, and then select both of them and type in, actually change the measurement type from normalized curve parameter to segment length. So now I can type in if I want this the framing width to be 100, I will just type in 50. So now from this point to this point will be 50. So, okay, so and now I'm going to create another point, place on draw on work plane, set, and place on this vertical work plane and place this point, and then I can offset this one. So I'll put in 50 as well. So this point, so in the future when we place the panel, so this will be this point to a point here, that will be 100. So that's the framing width. Okay, so the same, another point here. So, and also if you like, you can create a parameter for that, so you can control the all the dimensions. For this one, I'm just going to type in the number. That's it. So now we have this one and this point. Just create a spline and a reference line. So now we have this one. So repeat. I'll just do it quickly. 2 point and change 1 to end, so we can have the same segment length 50. Yeah. And in place draw work plane. Oops. So I want it to be a positive, so just need to rotate this point. Rotate here. $50 and 180. Okay, so now we have the select these two. Oops, 1 and 2. Spline, reference line, and now we can select this reference line and this reference line and create a form, and pick this one. So this will be the panel. Okay, so we can and just give it gas. And now we need to, I'll just quickly show you if I load this into here and then select this surface, change the path to this. Just wait a little bit. And then we will have so these are all the panels. Right. So now let's model some structure. Okay, so go back to this family. And then I'm going to model it along here. So first, let's create some points. Draw our work plane, pick the horizontal work plane, place it here, and then offset. So let's say maybe 600. Okay, so another one here, and offset up. So 600. The same, you can create parameters if you like. Okay, so now select these points, spline, reference line, and this spline, reference line, this and this spline, reference line. So now this will be the frame. Okay, and also this one, maybe just do some diagonal structure as well. So now we just need a profile. So just create draw on surface, draw on face, and then just place it here, and then maybe I'll do it rectangular, and then okay, just make it a reference line, and let me check this dimension, maybe 100, right, 100, and thickness maybe 50, and then just move it to here. So now if we select these, so 1, 2, this one 3, and this one 4, together with the profile create form, so this will be frame. Okay, so and also maybe we need that one, so I'll select this point together with the profile, copy, and then select this point, pick new host, and for this one I will just move it up 25, so and then I'll create this form. So I'll just ignore this. Okay, so yeah, yeah, that's okay. And also we need this horizontal one, so I'll just copy this one and place it to onto this one. Okay, so now we need to rotate it by 90 degrees. So yeah, and also maybe I'll just match this one. So I'll move this up 50. So then select this. So and create form. So I think that's about it. And now if I load this into project, then we probably need to wait for okay, so that looks like that's two issues here. So one is I want this structure to be vertical, and the other ones I want this structure to be outside of this. So let me just select this one and then go here. So that's one options, like all grid rotation. So I'll just change that to 90 degree, and the frame will go vertical. So now the structure is inside. So if you like this one, so it will be fine. You can just leave it. But if you want to flip the panel, so you can just go down here. That's a component flip, and if you check that one, it will flip these panels. And another half a minute. So now we have this one. Yeah, as I said, you can always adjust these or still adjust these, but because you have all these components here, all these families here, so every time you change, you will wait like half a minute. So it's better to change this. If we want to change the whole shape of this model, it's better to change that back to this, so it will run faster. So otherwise, every time you change the shape, it will like calculate for half a minute, depending on how complicated your model is. So yeah, that's it. I'll do a final run with, I'll just change this number to make it small panel, but this will increase the time. I think it will at least need 5 minutes. So I'll do this. So this is it, a shell shape messing with panels and structure. So I think pretty much you can model this in under 20 minutes if you know how to do it. Yeah, so okay, thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.